Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can disable comments in your Facebook post. So to disable comments in your Facebook post, first let's access that particular post on which you want to make these changes. So to do that, simply click on this profile tab at the top and then navigate to that particular post that you want to make the changes on. So for example, I want to make changes on this post right here. So what you need to do is simply click on these three horizontal dots present at the top corner, and once you have clicked here, you can see this fourth option which says who can comment on your posts. Simply click on this question and it will give you these options. Now if you want to permanently disable the comments, then you may simply choose any of these options. The options are the first option which says that only friends and established followers will be able to comment, or the other option is that only the friends on your Facebook will be able to comment. And then the last option is that only those accounts that you have mentioned in that particular post will be able to comment. So if you want your post to be comments free, then you may choose this option and just make sure that you have mentioned nobody in that particular post and nobody else could comment on it. Once you have selected this option, simply click on the done button right here and your changes have been successfully saved. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.